welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is red lentils dal or curry. Very easy and very nutritious recipe, and this is typical Maharashtrian style curry that I made today. And this is very spicy, tangy and beautifully flavored and delicious, and goes with rice, roti, or just enjoy this as a lentil soup. So very flavorful, guys. So let's stay tuned for the recipe. Alright, so let's check out the ingredients for Masoor amti, which is Masoor Dal, red lentils. So I have washed these half a cup of red lentils 3 to 4 times before I pressure cooked it for about 15-20 minutes on 3 whistles, and to low, the gas turn it to low for about 10 minutes. So you see the nice cooked texture, as you can see this. So I'm going to make the tadka of all this. So this is red curry leaves, chopped onion, chopped tomato, and garlic, crushed garlic. For garnishing, I'll be using fresh coconut and coriander. And from my spice box, I'm going to add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric, red chili powder, and goda masala. So any Maharashtrian dish, we prefer this goda masala, just blend of mixed spices. And of course we need some hing or asafetida oil, and these are amsul, which is cocum, and some jaggery. So let's get started. So in a kadai, let's add 1 tablespoon of oil and some mustard seeds. Let it stir. There you go. Once that happens, I'm going to add a pinch of cumin seeds. Garlic is optional, but it gives beautiful flavor. So add some chopped or crushed garlic. I have used 5 of them. Also add fresh curry leaves, once you see the garlic is turning brown, let's add onion and tomato. Let me add onion. Really this nice tadka. Now the garlic smells added tomato after I saw onion started being translucent. So let's add some salt. I've added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So let it cook for another 3 minutes. Once onion is translucent and tomato is cooked, I'm going to add a couple pinches of turmeric and asafetida. Simple, easy, nice and healthy recipe, guys. So make sure you try it at home. Alright, at this point I'm going to add the masoor that we cooked, red lentils. Give that a good mix. And let me add some water. It's already started cooking, and adding about a cup of water here. Depends on how thick or how thin you want. I'm adding that. and let's bring this to boil. I'm going to add some spices and salt a little later. Alright, so in 2 minutes, as you can see, it's boiling nicely. So I'm going to add some more salt, so about half more tablespoon. And if you have cocum, which is amsul in Marathi, that's a traditional, it comes from the fruit, so just to give the nice sour taste. Again, this is optional because you have already added tomato. So this is jaggery. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of jaggery. If you don't have that, you can add sugar just to taste. Let's add goda masala. This is the special ingredient. You will find it in the store. I've added about 3/4. Alright, so I've added about 3/4 tablespoon of goda masala. You will find it in the store. I'm using Caper brand, so I'm sure you will have it in your store. Just check it out if you don't make it home. And of course, red chili powder as per taste. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon, and that's pretty much it. We added all the ingredients, so now let's mix this well and bring this to boil. You can use this as a soup, or you can also use it as typical traditional amti, which is the dal, lentils dal, along with rice or roti. Nice and easy and very healthy recipe, guys. So let's wait for 2 more minutes, and then we will add coconut and coriander. And look at this, how beautiful it's boiling, and it's all nicely mashed. And you can see this is not very thin. Let me tell you guys, the garlic and goda masala in this particular amti or curry, it's a must, I would say, just to get that nice authentic Maharashtrian flavor. So I hope you find it in store and you can add it in the amti. Let's add coriander and coconut, fresh coconut. Nice texture. Enjoy this with rice or roti, or just have it a bowl full of lentil soup. My Maharashtrian style Masoor amti is ready. So I hope you like this recipe. Very healthy and nutritious Masoor amti, which is red lentils soup or dal. Enjoy this with steamed rice or roti or bhakri, and enjoy as a soup as well. So I hope you like this recipe. Stay tuned for the next recipe, and till then, take care and goodbye. And hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.